Fasteners and Engineering has been established in December 2012 under the promotership of Mr. Basu Vaidya, who is professionally developer and infrastructure business. Fasteners and Engineering is having one roof facility of manufacturing transmission line towers and substation structures. This activity is divided into three parts. One is fabrication, other is galvanizing, and third is a prototype. Each fabricated material or a structure is galvanized and then prototyped under the technically sound practice. Looking at the power sector scenario and the nature of the infrastructure jobs executed in India, now there is an acute shortage of transmission line towers and substation structures for power transmission purpose. The team is working on a shop floor around the clock for manufacturing of all such things.
The products fabricated at your fasteners are angles, channels and plates. Raw materials are received in the form of angles or flat plates. The first step of fabrication process is cutting. The angle that is to be cut is placed on a roller for cutting as per the given size. Length is measured manually for cutting. A roller is used to reduce manpower and time. We also use per gas cutting method for cutting smaller flat plates. Once the raw material is cut as per the requirement, it is sent for punching. Punching is of two types, manual or hydraulic. The angle that is to be cut can be inserted from either side of the machine. The measurement is marked manually. From the marked measurement, the area left from the corner for punching is called security. Both hydraulic and manual machine is controlled by a foot pedal. Capacity of the hydraulic machine is 75 tons and capacity of the manual machine is 30 tons. Hydraulic machine needs to be oiled and serviced on a daily basis. The working of both the machines is same. Radial drills are used for bigger and large scale drilling. Column drilling is used for small scale drilling. Cutting oil is constantly poured while drilling to reduce the friction. Magnetic drilling is used for drilling where the rest of the drills cannot reach and also for large scale drilling. If notching is needed, it is done after punching. However, it is not necessary that every product needs to be notched. The measurement for notching is taken manually. The angles are notched in the corner for precise fitting. Notching is always done on the inner sides of the structure. The marking method used for notching is cross marking as per the measurement of the structure. Once the product is notched, it is further sent for stamping. The stamping process is for the identification of the product made. The angles, channels and plates fabricated are uniquely coded to identify which product is to be used where. The code that is to be stamped is always provided by the client. The pressure exerted by the stamping machine is 200 to 250 tons. Here at Your Fasteners, the bending process is done by 3 methods according to the product requirement. That is roller bending, press brake bending, and hot gas bending. Heel grinding and normal burr grinding are the 2 grinding processes where the edges and punched area are grinded to smoothen the surface. Later, flat plates and angles are sent for welding. Welding is done in 2 steps. First is tagging, and after tagging, flat plates and angles are welded by using CO2 welders. Tagging is a process where flat plates and angles are placed as per the provided design and weld using conventional method of welding. Then further, the same product is welded using CO2 welders for better reliability and durability. Inspection done by Your Fasteners is done on a single piece from every fabricated lot. Following points are checked at the time of inspection. Section: length, back marking punching, hole to hole distance measurement, notch marking, stamping, and degree of bending. If the angle is tapered or not in a perfect right angle, the product is considered as faulty and is discarded from the delivery lot. The fabricated parts are further sent for galvanization. However, we at Your Fasteners and Engineering galvanize only those parts that are less than 2 meters in size. At a time, 30 gas tanks are loaded, each weighing 30 kgs. 15 tanks of the 30 are used at a time for lighting up the furnaces. When all the 30 tanks are filled up, the fuel supply is considered to be on, and when gas tanks filled up is 15 or less than 15, the fuel supply is at reserve. A bank of 15 tanks can be used for 3 days on an average. The gas pressure is measured at millers. Gas train controls the amount of gas pressure that is to be supplied to the furnaces. If the gas pressure supplied to the furnaces is more than the required amount, the excessive pressure is removed out in the atmosphere through an automated mechanism. The fabricated products are galvanized in the following steps. The fabricated parts are first dipped in caustic soda solution. Then dipped into hydrochloric acid. Further, it is rinsed in plain water. After that, cleaned in a flux solution. These washed parts are dried on hot plates. As the parts are dried, it is dipped into hot molten zinc for galvanizing. The melting point of zinc is 420 degrees centigrade and the products are galvanized at 460 degrees centigrade. Once the zinc is coated on the products, the coated products are further dipped in a solution of sodium dichromate to lower the temperature of the product. Filing is a process where the excessive coat of zinc is being removed. There are many steps for the inspection of galvanization. However, we use one of the methods that is called coat thickness measuring. The quality check is done using an accelerometer. The standard thickness of the zinc coat for angles is 86 microns and coupler is 65 microns.
Fasteners and Engineering is meeting these requirements by manufacturing of about 300 metric tons of transmission line and substation structures.